That's cute.
Yeah, I want to open baby whale.
Ta-da! Oh my God! Look at this is the LOL final product. Hey, Srita and Ruby. What do you have today?
I have a giant LOL for my happy birthday.
Oh,
And I am 4 years old, guys.
okay. And this is the Srita has this. This is the LOL surprise, pearl surprise. And they said this is a limited edition and unbox us. Yeah. And here's the zipper again. And we have to open it up from there, okay? But right here, it says one set, assemble set, okay? It has a fizz ball, I guess. Yay! Are you? And this is how we gonna open it up. I think it has a secret message to Srita.
No.
Okay, let's open it up, okay? See, this is the zipper. Yay!
Let's open.
Let's open. Let's open.
Yay.
Out there.
Well, that's so
Ooh, there you go.
I'm going to open by myself. Wait.
That's cute.
Yeah, I want to open baby one. Open too.
Okay.
I want to open this cover.
Mm-hmm.
Open no, what? Like that.
Okay.
No, that. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
And let's open.
And we're gonna open this black one. It says LOL surprise. And let's see what. Oh, look. This is
Oh
what.
my God.
That's what is it?
I don't know what.
It's a pretty dress. Next black one, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
This is mine.
Oh, look. This is one more booty. Look. That's the boot. That's the dress, okay?
Okay.
So which one you want to choose?
Black.
Again black?
Yeah.
Okay, Ruby, which one? Pink. Okay, let's see. What's inside there? Can you open it up?
I don't think I did.
Okay, here's the one. Srita choose another black one, and it has looks like a pendy.
This has skirt.
Oh, it's skirt. Okay, I think that's a pendy.
Or a skirt.
Or a skirt, whatever. Ruby, are you ready for yours?
Yeah.
On the pink one, let's see what's inside here, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, look!
Wow.
What's that?
Oh, that's like yours.
Yeah!
It's
see?
just like yours, Mama.
I know. Here you go. And where's the other one? Now, how many left?
2.
2, okay. Ruby,
Okay.
which one?
This one's for Ruby, this mine.
Okay. And now, this is Srita again. And let's see. Are you excited to see what's inside, Srita?
Yeah.
Okay. Ruby. Ready, steady. Pull. Again, one more panties or whatever.
It's a pen.
This is the inner wear.
That's like my pen.
This is the one more inner wear, okay? Ruby, are you excited?
Yeah.
And this is the Ruby's one, okay? Oh, Ruby, look! This is a cute shoes booty. Look, guys.
It's more booties.
I know, this is so cute. Pink and pink. Srita, is there any more left?
No.
No. Now what's inside there? It's all gone. See, count. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Now open it up.
Wow.
What's
What's
it?
one more?
Oh,
it's an LOL.
LOL. And
There is one more.
one more, and this is the fizz one, okay? So are you guys ready to open this up with the water? Or you wanna take that one first?
Okay, this one.
This one first. Oh, let's see, Ruby. Okay, this is, let's see what's here. Oh, one more cup. Sweetheart, look, one more cup. This is a cutie pie.
Wait, this have this. They have
Let's see. Oh, yeah. I don't know what's in there. These two or let's see. Check this Fiji bulb. We will be right back and we will sew with the water, okay? Are you ready to open this up and check it out what's inside here? Yeah, let's go. Hey, Sriza and Ruby. Now we have a water right there, right?
Yeah, we have to fill it.
And we're gonna put this shell. Okay, this shell inside the water and let's see what we can find there, okay?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
To put that shell inside there. Ready, steady, go! Boom! Oh my god, look at that pretty color! I know! Look, look! Ooh, the water is turning. Oh, it's your pretty color pink. Oh, blue too, I know. And look at the sound, the fizz. I know. Buzz. Oh, it sounds like a bee. I know that. Now what's that? Look. Boom. Not yet. Not yet. Yeah, it's still a shell is trying to fizz it out, right? Look at that. I know. Look at that pretty shell. It's coming. Almost there. Almost there. See? Find out. You want me to open it up for you guys? Okay, you wanna try? Let's see if you can do it or not. That's hard, isn't it? Yeah, now let me try it. Now ready, steady, go! It has a 1 packet, 2 packet, and 3 packet. Look at this pretty cell. Ruby, let me see what's there. Oh my god! She's naked. So are you ready to dress her up? Dress her up, okay. I know. One more. Yeah, baby. Look at that. I believe. See, this is like you, baby. I know. Look at that. This is so cute, baby. Here you go. Okay, now dress them up, guys. Okay. Alrighty. Oh my God! Look at this. Is the LOL final product. So this is our LOL surprise. Her. Yeah, this is our toys review of LOL surprise, isn't it? You like the LOL surprise, Fiza? Yeah, look at that cute baby on the sale. So cute, and they just like to dress her up, and this is our final dressing up with the baby and the cup and the mama. And look at the baby has a little tassy on it. That's so cute. Aww.
Click at the top. up. Bye. Ruby and Riza.
Yeah, Ruby and Sriza already signing up. They said bye. Thank you for watching. And if you like it, subscribe us and then give her a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe the RS Kids Fun. And yes, support us. Thank you for watching. This is the LOL surprise toys review. RS Toys review. Bye. Thank you, bye guys. Bye. Mwah.
Bye bye.